It's yo, you're right. Damn, bro. The gang, what's going on YouTube? It's working with you back with another today, bro. I'm excited, bro. I've ordered my KINGYT pendant. I mean, fully iced out. Bring along the journey, you see, pre. So, hopefully, enjoy the little short video. I don't know if that long or not, but bring on. And plus, I could buy one charger. Come charger my shop, you know what I mean? So, yeah, that really even I got me a pen right now. Come charger my shop, but yeah. Catch you know when I got me pen. When me in a taxi, you know what I mean? Wait. So guys, and I mean, me get the package, you know. So, me find my way home. You see, me just make you one unboxing. Me just chip in them piece in and out. You see me what? Yeah, I'm tired. So, my phone I got dead. So, this is the last I go see me back until I charge up my phone. You see, so yeah. So guys, and I mean, just reach home and have the package with me right now. Can't do this with give me a second. So, shit. Most important thing, charger. Cause charger mash up. You may know me a sweat. Yeah, me always a sweat. Me always a sweat. Anyways. So yeah. Charger, you know what I mean? You know, no one say charger, but my show only charger. So, no better wait. Charger, you know what I mean? Yeah, me had to take out the shirt there while I go because it hot. Way too hot. You know what I mean? This is not the best unboxing setup I'm not gonna see. But I try my best, you know what I mean? So yeah. Zip mail. So my dad is Pendent from remember the name at the page, I'm gonna leave in the description below, you know what I mean? So yeah. My dad from the page there finally reached like a month. I have to wait a month, you know what I mean? So yeah, now we up in it. I don't know if you open it, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna say that way on the day. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not really sure some excited guy, you know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna show emotions. I'm gonna show emotions, shit. Damn, camera lean like shit. I don't know if this is better, you know what I mean? You can't go see me. It's, yo, you're right. Damn, bro. It's another bag. This is my name, Anthony Gardner, you know what I mean? I thank you for order, that is, you know what I mean? Right there. Shit, let me just rip that shit. In this. Oh shit. Alright, I'm gonna see it with me one time too. See? So this is the true reveal of my charger. This is the true reveal, you know what I mean? Me never see it yet. So let's go, bro. Ready? Set. Go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Put that aside. So these are the 8-inch rope chain, you know what I mean? 8-inch rope chain. Oh shit, the damn chain looks so sexy upon me right now. So these are the shit. Give me a second. Ah, there. You have to use my teeth on that. This are the 8-inch rope chain. Oh shit. I never really too like it long, you know what I mean? I really like long chain and shit. But this shit look nice, bro. Feeling nice, bro. Oh my god. Anyways, we don't really there for this right now. Oh shit. Damn. Give me a second again. Ah. Oh shit, bro. If you don't see this, I cause I'm not music night. Anyways. Damn, nigga. Bro. Bro. What the hell? I don't even know if you explain this shit right now, like honestly, like King Whitey. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Me so hopefully enjoy the vlog, but I'm gonna put on the face to make you see what I go on, you see it? But damn, bro, like me literally can't thank you enough for just tuning into the video them and shit. So you know what I mean, continue to enjoy the thing them. You know what I mean? More content for me, so me just so take a little break, you know what I mean? Cause man, I got through some stuff, you know what I mean? For sort out some stuff. You see, pre, so hopefully enjoy the video. Oh shit, look at that shit, bro. None over the side, look at the side, that's stubborn. I don't know, but yeah. I put on the phone right now if I'm gonna say look and thing, but yeah, bro. I don't know. I don't know if I put on it for my sweat up self, you know what I mean? Cause I sweat like hell right now. But yeah, 18-inch chain. I don't know if it and the chain I have on, I see him. I get the chain from mother, so I'm not gonna ever take off it. You see me? So. Oh shit, bro. Look like that. Kinda look like that. Oh shit, nigga. Ah, ah. Literally tell me some stuck you something right now, bro. Technical difficulties. Okay, fix it now. Anyways. Do it like this, See, I break my vibes. If you put on the right way, I forgot look. Only one way put on is still, see it? But the military put on the wrong way. Guys, military is dumb, you know what I mean? Me think I see it the wrong way. So I have to stop the camera. The hell? I have to stop the camera while I go to look if I right if I actually put on it. But yeah, you know what I mean? Damn, bro, like shit. And like every video I do, I go see this tonight, you see me? Can't even make you see me. Every video I do, I go see this tonight. So, hey, nigga. Wait, you know what I mean? Do one thumbnail real quick. Wait. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I already know how we do my KINGYT gang up in the bitch, bro. On the way to 2K subs, you know what I mean? You already know how we do KINGYT gang up in the bitch. Just get it.